What's up? Thought I'd do a video, show some car stuff. It's been a while. This is the Cutlass G-Body Pumpkin Spice. Had a few parts done. I figured I better get a video before they're gone. This is a car I've worked on and off. Here's the colors, all three colors. I'll pay attention to the armrest. We'll come back on that. I did the seats and door panels. They come out really nice. Those are on videos about a year or two ago. He's still working on the car. He almost had to start over. Long story short, all the parts have been wrapped in plastic and put up since they were finished. These are going to be done the same. And in the future, the next set of parts, I have to get a custom mix color to match this brown. So these will be redone to match that. I could wrap them, but I looked back on the videos and we didn't have the front armrest on the door panels when I did them. So I'm going to have to go back and do something for the armrest on those. So I'll just do something with all four of them at the same time. Anyways, that's my excuse for that armrest looking funny. There's all these panels, trim panels wrapped. It's a difficult stitch. The second time I've done the different color on the inside of this trim. One reason I did that is because this light color, the door panel touches this. A lot of times it gets real dirty, so I'll put the darker color out there. It should blend well, I hope. Recover it if not. Alright, so I had those pieces going on, and a local viewer, what's up, brother? Dropped these off to put some covers on the G-Body Monte Carlo. So we've got some seats that are pretty decent shape. Got a little tack weld I need to do on these. Give me an excuse to get back to trying some welding. Need to weld the front bumper mount on my truck too. Get back to it. Here's the seat covers. Praying everything fits right. As I tell every customer, these aftermarket seat covers sometimes don't fit that great. Either too tight or too baggy or just way off. I already noticed the headrests look a little funny, but I think they'll work. We'll make it work. And this looks pretty good. I'll still knock all this rust off here and paint the frame. We'll get the front seats too. So I might do another video or two on just these parts and show some tips on putting these seat covers on. We'll see how good or bad they fit. There's some eBay stuff going on. And rebuilding a table. I'm going to build a table over here. I had that fold-up table right there I just showed. I'll build something level. I always set crooked in here. The floor is not level in this. In here. Yes, sir. I'll show that on a video in the future. Peace. Till the next one.